Okay, here's a quick review on the Wax Blaster MD Plus. This is an at-home ear cleaning kit here. You can attack that wax. So it comes with this spray bottle. You fill it up. Comes with 3 of these packets. So I emptied this packet right into the water, mix it up. And then it comes with 5 of these treatments. So first, open up this, stick it in your ear, wait for 15 minutes. You're gonna wanna lay down, relax, listen to an audiobook, whatever. And then when you're ready, you're going to use this. Oh, let me back up. I kept this to show you. So this is just a regular nozzle to the spray bottle. And I took it off and then applied this extender here right onto the spray bottle. So when you're ready to rinse, you're gonna place this. So I could do it myself. It's probably a little easier to like have some help. And then you're just gonna rinse gently your ear by pushing and then letting it drip into this dish, and you'll see the earwax just come right out. Really easy treatment to do at home. Gentle, there's no noises, no fizzing, no bubbling. Very gentle, very easy. I love this product. You're gonna love it too.